Yes. I'm here today in the Herat province in Afghanistan, and it's terrifying to see the scale of destruction and to understand how many people have lost their lives. But we are here to help, and we are not coming empty-handed. So today we announce an additional package of help worth 3.5 million euros that would be used by our partners to help the people affected, to provide them with shelter, with water, with whatever they need, because we always remain on the side of the Afghan people. We never left Afghanistan, and humanitarian aid is here to serve the people, and being here today and bringing help testifies to that.
And today I think that, as our Director General in charge of humanitarian aid said, is the proof that we as Europe, we never left, but also we are here for our sisters and brothers. It's really hard today to even talk, to see these children without the parents. And please help Afghanistan like we all have to. Thank you.